Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. Like the title says, we're doing another Starbucks drive-thru video. I'm so pumped, you guys. So excited! I'm with friends today. Introduce yourselves.
Hi guys, I'm Allie.
I'm Cheryl. If y'all don't follow them on TikTok already, what are you doing? I'll put their links down in the description box below. They are so fun, and I'm just so glad that I'm in Orlando right now visiting them. And
so fun.
This is gonna be fun. I'm super pumped about this. We're going to the drive-thru right now, and y'all get the most creative, fun Starbucks drinks.
I got some good drinks.
And I'm ready to try them.
So I'm excited.
Yeah, today we're gonna order their favorites.
I want to see what you
have
think.
to tell me what they are, because I can't wait to try them.
I'm excited.
Let's do this.
Can I please have a grande Starbucks double shot on ice? Can I sub classic for... What do we do?
Okay, I got this. Can we please have a grande Starbucks double shot on ice, but can we please substitute caramel brulee for classic and then add heavy whipping cream?
Anything else?
Yes, whipped cream and crunchies on that.
Crunchies.
Got it. Anything else?
And a grande peppermint white hot chocolate with 1 pump of caramel brulee white hot chocolate, right?
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Have you seen that TikTok?
Alright, anything else?
With like a scoop of
Fruit.
Okay, can I have just like a grande water with a scoop of the fruit in it?
Okay, so we got strawberry mango. Do you want kiwi as well?
Yes.
Okay, anything else?
Nope.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about
let
these.
me explain that one.
Explain it.
So like this one girl was talking about how like she always orders this and this is like her favorite thing ever. It's a water
and fruit.
Water and a scoop of each fruit. And she said it's like literally the most refreshing. It tastes so good and it's like really good. And
I'm excited to try that.
Me too.
Comment below if you've had that before. I want to know if any of y'all have tried
y'all
that too.
ever had that before?
It's
So
like
crazy.
fun.
Also, if you're excited about this taste test, because I am, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to this channel and join the best family ever.
Yes.
Carol's like, this is the drink I always get. What is it, Allie?
I knew it, but I was scared to like say it because I was like, what if I
She's
say
like,
wrong?
wait, you're gonna love this. Go, Allie.
Do you guys ever get nervous ordering though?
Yes.
You know, like you have a complicated order and you're like, they're gonna hate me right now.
Also because now they can see you, there's a camera. They're looking at you too. They're not just listening.
Yeah, for that.
They're looking.
Peppermint mocha.
I'm ready to chug that.
Guys, look how pretty it looks.
So
I'm ready to chug that water.
I think this is gonna.
That looks so good.
Yum! Thank you.
Thanks, Nanny.
Yeah.
oh my gosh.
Yo, I'm so hyped for
Today
this.
is the day.
Y'all, I'm super
Today is
excited.
the day.
They forgot our crunchies, but it's okay because you guys can get them.
We've parked. It's time to go. This is the water.
I think we should try the water first because you know how like once you taste something really sweet,
Yes.
then the other things taste gross.
Oh, so first we're gonna be trying the water. So it's just a regular water with ice and 1 scoop of every fruit in it. Very refreshing. It tastes like kind of like iced tea. It's really refreshing. It's not so sweet. So if you like sweet stuff,
I'm not a fan.
if you like iced tea, I feel like you'd like it.
I like water.
That's a no for Allie.
Wait.
Like what?
Really refreshing.
Like I would drink
You know what
it.
this tastes like?
No.
Here's the thing.
She's me.
I don't know how you feel about LaCroix and like the flavored
Oh my
sparkling
gosh,
water.
it tastes like a deflate, like
When you
like
drink it,
unfizzed LaCroix.
it just goes away. And I feel like I drink this expecting like the fruitiness and sweetness of a refresher, and then it's just like bleh.
So don't order that.
I don't
Yes.
know. Let me know if you order this and you like it.
Can I please have a water with all of the berries and 5 equals?
5 equals.
This one is a white peppermint hot chocolate with caramel brulee.
Oh, that's nice.
Is it good?
There's no coffee in this, is there?
No.
No. I'm a fan.
No
It's
coffee?
peppermint
No.
hot chocolate
Yeah.
with caramel brulee. Interesting combination.
Thoughts?
Very sweet. If you like sweet drinks, this is for you.
I bet they forgot the peppermint.
Wait,
Let's
check
try.
the sticker.
It tastes like just creamer.
Yeah, you got it. That right there is some caramel brulee milk. So
Hot milk. Hot creamer.
it's really good though.
It's good. If you like sweet drinks,
You know what I
really
mean?
do like it.
Like if you guys aren't big into coffee drinkers or you're just feeling like a sweet milk.
This is the Allie. Is it the winner?
See, that's good to me. I really like it because it's really sweet, but it's strong.
Look at this color. This color is really nice. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's real nice.
I love this.
Yeah,
That's so good.
If you need caffeine too, you know what I mean? Where you want it to taste
Yeah,
good.
so this has, I think the grande has 3 or 4 shots in it. And the venti is 6.
bar.
But right?
Coffee ice cream bar in a
Yeah,
cup.
that's the one.
Good, y'all.
Grande double shot on ice, add caramel brulee topping, no classic, with heavy cream, chestnut praline syrup, add whip.
Exactly.
I'm the type of person that will get the coffee with almond milk, but then I'll get the whipped cream on the top.
That's what I do too.
It's called balance. I'll have a salad for lunch knowing that I'm gonna have a brownie sundae later.
Yes.
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 You gotta balance it out.
I like it.
I'm so glad.
Yes, I like doing this.
Try your favorite drinks. Have a special favorite drink that you always get at Starbucks. Comment it below because I might do another round where I try your drinks. That first one we did was so much fun, so we might have to do it
So fun.
round 2. But we love you. You're amazing. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and it made you smile. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next week.
Bye.
Bye guys.